Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to write the uppercase and the lowercase letter M. M makes the sound. Let's start with uppercase M. This is an uppercase M that you see on the screen. This letter has 4 steps, so be sure to watch and listen as I show you these steps now. To start writing the letter M, we are going to start at the very top. Our first step, we're going to do a straight line down. Then we lift. We go back up to the top, and we have to slant down to the right with another straight line. And then this time, we're going to keep our finger or our writing utensil right where it is, and we are going to slant up to the right for step 3. And we stop right when we get to the top of our line. Our last step is that we are going to do a straight line down. So it's almost like a zigzag in a way. Ready? We go straight line down, lift and go back up, slant down to the right, slant up to the right, and then a straight line down. Now remember, we've written several letters this week, so you should be getting familiar with the routine. You are more than welcome to write your letters and practice writing them in the air with your finger. You can also practice writing using your finger and gently pressing the screen to trace the letter M on the screen. Or your parents or someone helping you at home can get a piece of paper and you can practice with any type of writing utensil that you would like, whether that be a marker, a pencil, or a crayon. Now, moving on, it's time to practice the uppercase M again. This time, we don't have the steps listed. Let's see if you guys remember what to do. Get your fingers ready. Our step 1 is that we start at the top and we do a line down. We lift our finger, we go back to the top where we started our step 1, and then we slant down to the right. Without lifting, we continue to go up, we slant up to the right, stop, and then we do a straight line down again. And there is our uppercase M. You go ahead and try it now. Great job. Let's keep moving. This time, you don't have anything to trace. Let's see if you can do this on your own first. It is now your turn. I would love for you to practice writing the uppercase M. Again, remember there are 4 steps. Go ahead and write the uppercase M now. Fantastic. If your uppercase M looks like mine, then you did it correctly. Straight line down, slant down to the right, slant up to the right, and down once more. Great job, everybody. Now let's practice writing our lowercase m. This letter has 3 steps. Our first step is a short line straight down. Then we keep our finger or writing utensil right where it goes and where we stop with step 1, and then we're going to curve up and kind of make a hill, kind of like a bump, right? And then we do that again one more time for our step 3. We curve up, right, and down, and then we curve up, right, and down again. Go ahead and practice with your finger now. Awesome job. Let's move on. This time we have a lowercase m that lets us trace. So let's practice now. Ready? Get your finger ready. Step 1, straight line down. Then we come up, go around, curve to the right and down, curve to the right and down. It's almost as if we're drawing some bunny hops. Go ahead and practice using your finger now. Great! You did a wonderful job. Now this time we don't have any hints, no help. So let's see if you can do it. Let's practice writing the lowercase m. Remember, it's 3 steps. Go ahead and write your lowercase m. All right, everybody. If your lowercase m resembles mine, then you did it correctly. Straight line down and then 2 bunny hops. Curve to the right and down. Curve to the right and down. Okay, let's review. We have the uppercase M on our left and we have the lowercase m on our right. Remember, our uppercase M has 4 steps. Ready? Here we go. Starting at the top, straight line down, lift, come back up to the top, and we have a slanted line down to the right, slant up to the right, and then straight line down again. Great job. Now, our lowercase m only has 3 steps. We have our straight line down, then we come back up, curve down to the right, curve down to the right. Remember, we talked about how they resemble bunny hops, so go ahead and do 2 hops. You guys are doing awesome. We're almost done. Now I want you to practice writing the uppercase M and the lowercase m on your own. Get your finger ready. Go ahead and write your uppercase M now. Great job. If your uppercase M resembles mine, then you did it correctly. Step 1 is a straight line down. Come back up to the top. Slanted line down to the right. Slanted line up to the right. And then another straight line down. Now we're going to get our fingers ready and go ahead and practice writing your lowercase m. Remember, it only has 3 steps. Go ahead and write your lowercase m now. If your lowercase m looks like mine, then you did it correctly. I am so proud of you. Great job, everyone. And that is the end of our lesson in learning how to write the uppercase and lowercase m. Great job.